One thing I love about the oscillating tools, this is super versatile. This one comes with both a wood cutting and a metal cutting, is that you can just do a ton of really intricate cuts with them. I use this in fiberglass over the weekend to put switches in, and I'll show you that in another video. But I can go ahead and take this, and I can literally notch the corners of this piece of wood just by hand. Now, why would you want to notch the corners? Well, for water. So if there's any sort of water that's going to get in here, you want to have some sort of path to drain out. There we go. So it's that easy to make something that has now notched corners just using an oscillating tool. Did it all freehand. Now, the other interesting thing about this is you can very quickly change blades out. So this unit has a thumb release, finger release here. You push it in, pull this out, and you can change the angle as well. So if you're getting into a tight space, maybe you're cutting a pipe off or other things, this is one of my favorite tools right now. It also has a little integrated light. As I mentioned, they do have an RP version of this one if you are going to use this a lot. And when I store it, I just store it with the blade facing back, and it fits away very compactly in the bag over here that way.